There's what we call the law of compounding. Pag mag-invest ka og 3,000 pesos for the next 20 years na 8% ang hatag sa imuha, ang madawat nimo by 10 is 1.7 million pesos. Ang imong total ng gipagawas sa kwarta is 720,000. Nganong ina naman? Because of compounding. There's a saying that goes in investing. You do not have to be rich to start investing. Rather, you need to start investing to be rich. In fact, kung dili ka kabalo magnegosyo, okay lang. Because some people, dili jud sila equipped to become business people. Kaya kung negosyante tatanan, din wala empleyado. Naiuban na hawd sa empleyado, pero dili maayo sa negosyo. So it's okay kung empleyado ka, self-employed ka, negosyante. But if there's one thing na kailangan nato himuntanan is to become investors. The more money that you're going to invest, the more money that you're going to have in the future. So ang strategy na effective sa general na tao is cost averaging jud. Every single month, regardless saka or naog ang presyo, palit ka. And be in the market for the long term. Study shows the odds of you winning in the market or investing is higher when you are in it for the long term.